It all started with an article in Sydsvenskan. Ellen Odin, one of the last textile printers using woodblocks, was portrayed. Adrienne and Suzanne fell in love with her work, and so the coming year we have visited her during an open art show. Ellen has started her printmaker career in the 1950s, and she is still active today at the age of 92. Her work fascinated us so much that we proposed the idea of documenting it. We felt the need to show others this ancient technique and at the same time give it a new life and character. This project then evolved into two sections, one about documenting Ellen's artistry and one about how block printing can be further developed and used today. With the means of digital manufacturing, the tedious task of carving a wood block can be shortened. But will the artist's expression survive this process? Could this other means of manufacturing give new interest and possibilities? We chose to explore digital manufacturing, like laser cutting and 3D printing, to see how our expressions would change and how, with the new materials, could we find other uses for block printing. Exploring the world of textiles, paper, ceramics, and leather. And as a starting point, we chose a classical block-printed flower to give it new life and future continuation.